Hi guys, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we talk about YouTube and what you can do to help grow your channel. I wanted to show you a couple of the apps that I've been using on my cell phone to edit video and make thumbnails. And perhaps this will help you, give you an idea of what it's like to do that, and you might want to try it yourself. So let's get right into it. The first app is Adobe Premiere Rush. There are free versions like other apps have and paid versions. So of course I always recommend trying the free version first. The first thing you would do is start by creating a new project and giving it a name. Next you would choose the clips that you'd like to include. And I can pinch the timeline to zoom in and out. Select a clip and drag the edge to trim to the desired length. And clicking on the third gray icon on the bottom brings up the layout selector. And here I confirm what I want, which is landscape. Choose the title icons at the bottom, and you can select from the many preset styles, title styles that they have. Here I selected modern down. Double click on the text and type your message. You can customize the title with many settings at the bottom. Here I clicked on color fill to change the text color. Next I click on transition and select cross dissolve. I want to be a bit slower than the default, half a second or so, so I use the slider to change the duration. Next up is the color icon, which allows us to customize the look of the clip. And here I choose saturation and desaturate the image by setting it to 0. This creates a black and white effect. Suppose I only want the black and white for half the clip, so you move the playhead to the middle of the clip and click the scissors icon to split the clip. Now select the clip, choose color and then saturation, and reset the saturation of the second clip to 100, and we are done. One advantage of this app is that you can use it across a variety of devices, so that can come in handy. The next app is Adobe Spark Post, and I wanted to include this for those of you on those busy days you're trying to get the job done, and this will work for you. You see the Spark Post comes with a lot of preset templates, and here I choose the green plus sign to start from scratch and select photo library and choose the pictures you'd like to add. Here I chose 3 pictures. Next, choose the size of the finished product. There are lots of options to choose from. I chose thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. You can click each of the images and drag them until they're just right. Double tap the text and edit it as you desire, and then you can drag the text to wherever you like. You can edit the text font and the color and all of that. Here I'm selecting new color and also resizing the text. Once it looks like you want it to, you can click the done button. Click layout to quickly reorganize your thumbnail. You can click spacing to customize inner and outer borders, and click color to change border colors. If you want more videos on how you can grow your channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. The next app is called PixArt, and there's a whole bunch of things that you can do with this. So let's get started. First, I would select the image that you want to work with. Click the tools icon, and you can see there's a whole bunch of edits that you can make. Here I chose crop, and then I can select 16:9 to get the correct aspect ratio for YouTube thumbnails. I can drag the image and pinch to zoom until it's just the way I want. Click applied when finished, and let's see what the stretch tool can do. After choosing stretch, I selected warp option. Dragging around with my finger creates a wild effect, a bit too strange, so I will cancel that to reset the effect. Next, I choose sticker to add a custom sticker. I can move the sticker where I want it and stretch it to the desired size. Choose adjust to further customize the sticker. Here I set the contrast to high. Next I chose border. I can now set the inner and outer border size. I can make the border rounded using the radius slider, and I can customize the border colors by clicking the color squares and choosing from the color picker. Click apply when done, and next I choose brushes icon and select the fireworks effect. You could just tap in a few places to add some cool fireworks. Let me know in the comments if you have any favorite apps that you are using to edit your videos or make thumbnails. And I hope that this helps you guys, and I will talk to you soon.